Used to do this with snapping, splitting, autocomplete, cut polygon, clip, and map topology and shared editing are just some of the basic techniques. Not a lot of slides in this little explanation, but this is very important. Is a way of the software trying to interpret what you're trying to do. And so it assumes if you're clicking near a line that you actually want to click on the line. And you have different kinds of snappings. You can use intersection, midpoint, tangent. All of these control how, and particularly, these things will snap to one another. This will create what topologically would be considered a proper intersection. Or using the cut polygon tool. So if you use the autocomplete, when you get close to where you're at the end, instead of clicking to make them go together, you simply tell it, hey, I'm done. It connects the last and the first point and closes up your polygon. Or you can take a polygon and cut it in half by starting outside, going to the inside, making whatever moves, and using the cut polygon tool, then makes two polygons. You can use clip to eliminate overlap areas as well. So there's lots of different ways you can use these various tools to make your editing easier and better. Clipping is basically a cookie cutter. It preserves, you have the option to preserve or discard the intersected area. So if you clip it, it can just do away with it, or you can clip it and keep it too. Being a polygon inside of another polygon, so you have this polygon digitized. First you do the outside one, then you create inside as a new one, and then while it's still selected, you choose clip, and then you discard it, and then it goes away. You must first make a blank item. That means going into our catalog, finding the folder you want to put it in, right-clicking, and then saying create, whether it's a shapefile or a feature class. If it's a feature class, it needs to be in a geodatabase, etc. But that's the first step. Then add that empty blank item into your table of contents. It'll show up in your table of contents, but it won't show up on the map because there's nothing there. At this point, basically what you do is you edit the item into existence. And what do I mean by that? I mean, you use the edit tools to create the feature itself. And now for a quick example, I put together a video a couple semesters back for one of my classes. You go to this link and then it will walk you through this whole process of creating a new feature and then editing it into existence. So that's it. Good luck.